Hi guys, this is Patrick Cañete of NoipyGeeks.com. The Realme 5 just made its way in the Philippines. But before we provide you our full review of this device, we want to share what comes with the box and what you should expect from this device. So, let's start our hands-on review. Obviously, the Realme 5 is a successor to the Realme 3 from earlier this year. You can check out our comparison and more coverage about the Realme 3 in the links below or in the top right corner. What we didn't emphasize in our specs comparison is the upgraded design on this new Realme 5. It now has a crystal design, which is emphasized by its color gradient paint job. The one that we have here is the crystal blue variant, while a crystal purple option is also available. Upon picking up the device, you'd immediately notice how bigger it is than the Realme 3. That is because it now has a large 6.5-inch display versus 6.2 inches, and a more substantial 5,000 mAh battery versus the 4,230 mAh from the previous model. We shall learn how long this battery can last in our full review, so stay tuned for that. Another big upgrade here is in the processor department. This one is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 octa-core processor. There's the 3GB and 32GB model, 4GB and 64GB, and the one that we have here, the top of the line 4GB and 128GB model. So far, the performance has been smooth. The setup process was seamless, since the entire interface was relatively fast and responsive, thanks to the powerful chipset. We shall see how it holds up in heavier tasks, especially in gaming, in our full review. Another new feature that we're excited to check out is the device's cameras. This one now comes with a quad camera setup, an upgrade from the dual camera configuration that the older model has. The Realme 5 has a 12-megapixel primary shooter with a bright aperture of f1.8 and face detection autofocus. Next up, there's finally an 8-megapixel ultra-wide shooter. And lastly, there are 2-megapixel sensors for depth sensing and macro shots respectively. Clearly, the Realme 5 now gives you more flexibility for whatever subject you want to shoot. But how good the actual camera quality is? Well, we have to test the cameras extensively to find out. So as I said earlier, you might want to be in the lookout for our full review once it becomes available. Again, we'll publish our full review of the Realme 5 in the coming days, so stay tuned for that. But if you can't already wait, it is now available nationwide for a starting price of 6,990 pesos. You can check out the full price list plus the full list of specs and features in the link in the description below. Again, this has been Patrick Cañete from NoipyGeeks.com. For more detailed look about the Realme 5 and its bigger brother, the Realme 5 Pro, you can check all the available links down in the description below. Make sure to hit the thumbs up button, share this video if you liked it, subscribe if you still haven't, hit the bell icon to get notified every time we post a video, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and yeah, thank you for watching.